Guys, it's been so long since I posted a video. I know, I'm sorry. Let me explain myself. Literally, so much has been going on. I found out that I was pregnant. I am now almost 23 weeks pregnant, which is literally insane because that's 5 months, which means that I haven't posted a video. I don't even know how long. I don't even know when I posted that old video. We're in a new house, new neighborhood. Ugh, a lot of stuff is going on, so I apologize for it being so long since the last time I posted a video. But I'm back, I'm better. Hopefully I'll be posting more videos more frequently, more makeup videos. Don't know about clothing videos since, you know, I got a baby belly going on. Maybe might do a maternity something, I don't know. But as of right now, I am just going to be doing makeup. Might do some videos with my husband, might convince him to let me do his makeup, see if he can do mine, do some voiceovers. I don't know, we'll see. Exciting things happening for this channel. For this video that you're here for, I did this makeup look right here. It is a full face of Glam makeup, smoky eye, nude lip, all of the fun stuff. If you are interested in seeing how I created this look, just keep watching. Let's get into this makeup look, shall we? I have no idea what I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna dive right in, all right? First thing I am going to do is use this So Matte mattifying primer. I've used the crap out of this thing, so hopefully I can squeeze something out of it. A little bit. Oh, how's everybody been? It's been way too long since I've made a video. I created this channel, made one video, and just like dropped off the face of the earth. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm a great YouTuber, obviously. Alright, so now that the face is good and primed up, we can go ahead and start with foundation. Foundation I'm going to be using is a L'Oreal True Match in the shade Warm Sand Beige W5. I'm going to use my Beauty blender to blend it in. Since Kentucky is just against the sunlight, I guess, apparently, my skin is very pale, so this might be a tad too dark, but you know, we're just gonna go with it because why not? Definitely don't want our neck to be a different color than our face. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I just bought this today, so I really hope this shade doesn't look awful. I got this shade Sand. It might be too dark. Let's find out. That's not too bad. I see a lot of people use this concealer, so I thought I should give it a try. I'm going to use the same beauty blender to blend this in. I don't know which side to use. Blend it in really well. Before we move on, I'm going ahead and set my face with this powder. Now I'm going to move on to the eyebrows. And the eyebrow gel that I'm going to be using is called the Stay Put Brow Color in 04 is the shade. And I'm going to use my eyebrow brush. It looks like this. I'm gonna brush them out. Okay, and now that the eyebrows are done, we're going to move on to bronzer. And the bronzer I'm going to be using is the Hoola Benefit bronzer. And it looks like this. It looks so nice. This is such a good bronzer. Highly recommend. I'm going to add some blush using the Maybelline Fit Me blush, I think in the shade Peach. Okay, now that that is finished, we can finally move on to the eyes, which I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to do yet, but I'm super excited to find out what happens here. I think I'm going to use this new Naked palette that I've never used before. I bought it online, convinced my husband to let me buy it, and I still have yet to use it. So we're going to use it today. It is the Urban Decay Smokey Eye Palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at these shades. Like, just take a second and just appreciate the beauty of this palette. Let's see if I can actually create something out of this palette. First, I'm going to put a base color on. I'm going to start, I'm probably going to use this color right here as a base. And just put that all over the eyelid. I think I might do like a halo effect type thing, but I'm not sure. Let's go in with this brown right here called Whiskey, and we're gonna put that on the outer part of my eye. Ooh. That is pigmented. Just kind of move it towards the inside a little bit, just to blend it. Let's see if we can put some of this glitter. I don't know which shade to use. I think I'm gonna use this silver called Armor right here. I'm gonna put that on my eyelid. Let's see how this turned out. This really light color to the inner part of my eye. Okay, and now I'm going to do what I did on this side on this side. Okay, so now that both of them are done, I'm going to finish off the eyes with some eyeliner. I think I'm going to actually do a wing. Eyeliner that I'm going to be using is the Milani Stay Put Matte 17-Hour Wear Liquid Liner, and it looks like this. So that eye is done. And it actually doesn't look too bad, so that's impressive. Now I'm gonna try and attempt doing the other eye. Hopefully I don't mess this whole entire look up, because I will not be a happy person if that happens. I'm sorry if this is kind of hard to see. My mirror is over here, and if I'm not like this close to it, then I can't see what's going on. So. So now that both of my wings are on, I am going to finish off the underside of my eyes, and I'm going to do that by using this brush right here. And I'm just going to put the brown and these two colors under my eyes. And to finish off the eyes, I'm going to be using mascara. And you can put false eyelashes on if you want to. I am not going to this time. I just bought this, so I gotta open the package. And the mascara that I'm using is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Seriously, the best mascara I have ever used. Alright, and the next step is a highlighter, which is most people's favorite parts. I absolutely love putting highlighter, and the highlighter that I use is the Cover FX called Moonlight. I don't know if you can see that, but this is what it looks like inside. And I'm just gonna apply it with my finger. Like, seriously, do you see that? Yeah. So nice. Some on the bridge of my nose and the tip. Cupid's bow. And I do a little bit under my brow bone. So now we are glowing. And the final step is lipstick. The eyes are so bold. You can do a bold lip. I'm going to do a nude lip. I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. Alright, so now that everything is finished, we are going to completely finish the look off with some setting spray, because we want this look to stay on all night. And the setting spray I'm going to be using is the Hard Candy Matte Sheer Envy Mattifying Setting Spray. It's supposed to last 12 hours. And this is what it looks like. We'll shake it up really good. And then we'll spray. It's so refreshing. Right, now I'm going to do my hair and I will be right back. Alright everyone, that is the finished look. If you want to go out and party, this would be a nice look. Prom, I know it's prom season, wedding, anything you want to look glamorous for, this would be a good look. Thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. I know it's been so long since I posted a video, and hopefully after this one is uploaded, I will be posting more. We'll see. A lot of stuff are going on, as you guys know. So I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it won't be too long, maybe like a week or two. Hopefully not even that long. I don't know, we'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please, please, please subscribe. Like this video if you enjoyed, if you would like more content like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye!